Okay, easiest way to record yourself with your laptop's camera. Come look for the camera app in Windows Start menu. Should open it up. If it defaults to this video button, fine. It may default to the camera, which just takes picture. So click the video camera icon if you're not. Clicking that starts. I'm now recording my video, blah, blah, blah. Make sure you're looking at the web camera for best eye contact. Hit stop. Okay, this is the little camera roll folder down here at the bottom right. If you click that, it will actually bring the video up. If you want to put it in Google Drive, if you click the three dots up here, it'll open up the folder for you that the video is stored in. You can see it's an MP4 folder right here. That's pretty universal. Anybody should be able to do it. If you want to put it in Google Drive, I'm going to close the camera app. I've got this Google Drive open. Let's say I wanted to put it in that projects folder. Simply drag and drop. And it says it's uploading. That was a short video, so it won't take long. You can see it, and it is done. If I want to share it out, I'm going to right click it and hit share. I'm going to click the advanced link to share, only accessible by collaborators. So nobody else but me has it right now. Depending on what you want to do, you hit change here, and then you have choices. Public, it's on the web. That means anybody in the world can see it. On anyone with the link, if you want to make it so you give the link to somebody, they can see it without having to sign in to Google. If you're limiting it to WFU people, you have choices there. Just depends on what you need to do. Regardless, you make your choice, and you hit save, and then it gives the link here. You can copy that. Use Control C. You can right click it and copy it, whatever you want to do. Hit done. Then you email your link to whoever you need to give it to. That's the quick and dirty way to do it.